All right, good evening. Welcome to the daily recap. It's Monday, 19th December. Last trading week probably. Don't know yet like for next week, but I think it will be the last trading week because there's too much. It will be the lowest volatility week of the year probably. So, all right, let's go about it. I took three trades today. A short ended up in a loss. A buy ended up in a minor, really small loss. Almost a break-even trade and one break-even trade over here after we took these highs, this high or this high. So slow price action was it? Let's just do it like this so we know I went break even after that high. Um, mm, 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 mm. Before we do that, let's zoom out and clean it up a little bit. I have to do something real quick. Liquidity, visibility. All right. Let's liquidity. Uh, liquidity. Liquidity. Asia high, Asia low. I think these are not even visible on the high time frame. So this is sufficient. So what happened today? Let's go on the daily. Start on the daily. Remember the forecast of yesterday where I said like we can come a little bit. Let's actually go down. Where I said like, okay, we have this bearish range. We didn't reach the discount of this range yet. We took lows, external range liquidity. We're building up internal range liquidity. And what did price do? Price took previous daily lows. So like an extra liquidity grab. And then Asia went up. Took Asia highs. Then I was a bit impatient because I said I would wait for shorts from here. But we took Asia highs. We had this 50-minute PY going on over here. We had liquidity building up over here. And we had Asia highs being taken. Then we have this minor structure going on. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. As you can see, after breaking this low, we never reached discount or premium. So this was our first point of premium. And I was looking for shorts from this area. Then what did we see? Going down lower, we can see our entry drill playing out. We got a low, high, higher, low, higher, high. Break bearish, faking out early sellers. And then we have this slowdown followed by an impulse. Impulse that took out these internal highs here. These ones. And then reacted from this block and then continued down. So this was the last place of chaining. And I looked to short from this order block. And as you can see, it didn't play out. Instant loss, unfortunate. Followed the plan though. But maybe a bit impatient in terms of I said I would wait for up. Sorry, I would wait for up here, and didn't do that. Going on the high time frame, what can we see in terms of momentum and candle of closures of formations? Strong candle up. Yeah, not really a trade to take in terms of this because yeah, we can see the impulse up and then we see this candle, but it's not like okay, sellers are stepping in, it's just a slowdown candle, but nothing major. Hold up, let me clean my glasses. I forgot my lenses in Switzerland, so my friends will take them to the Netherlands. But for now, I have to wear my glasses, and I get shit, get a headache. Okay, then what happened? So instead of price reacting from the order block. We took previous daily lows and then took New York highs from Friday. So New York highs. Another liquidity pool being taken. And what can we see? After we took New York highs, we respected the 5-minute POI. Oops. Over here, that sits just below these London lows. It has chaining. We got the break chain. Then if we go inside there, we can see there's chaining inside as well, I think. Yeah, it's just the last point. So really we have this 1-minute block over here. It's just about mitigated. So what we might do, see, I think it's just, let's see, huh? Oh, here you go. Last label, 6539, 6539. Okay, let's zoom out again. 1 minute. Get out of the replay mode. Okay. So then what did it respect? This unmitigated area up here. Okay, not really special. Nothing like, oh, should have seen that, or I can do something with that. But yeah, anyway, it reacted from this 5-minute POI and it turned around. What can we see? We took New York highs. We got the entry drill. Let's remove this. That's already journaled. Let's keep this on. We got our pretty sellers again. So we got one set early, another set of early sellers. This one is not early sellers. We got a minor set of early sellers over here, taking out this low. Really just low, high, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. But it's a minor set of early sellers. Then what can we see? Price takes out this wick. And this is where this is like the short of the day, but look how it respected this order block and bullish order flow. If anything, this is a very slow break. This is an impulsive move up. So I will be careful compared to this. Like 1, 2, 3. How many candles is that? PI. So this move down is like, let's just take from this entry candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? Yeah, six candles up. Okay, but that's just from the entry block, and this is like 16 or something candles. Actually can check it. 924, 940. That's 16. Exactly 16 candles. But yeah, impulse up into the order block. Breeding room 69, 63, 2.2, 2.7, and there's your 1 to 5. Let's target London low. Yeah, it's a nice trade, but like it's not the cleanest. Early sellers over here, minor early sellers over here, early sellers over here. Pre-London, Frankfurt. This one inside London. Then let's talk about the buy trades. You can see we had this 15-minute POI, but we also had this 1 hour POI. Let's change it to 1 hour. And then what do we see happen? You can see price when approaching this POI, it's like slowing down. There's no clear early buyers because we got equals, so it's not a low that led to a high, but an equal that led to a high into this internal. But it was like, okay, why not? It's clean. We have a clear slowdown. We have these highs up here, this London high, and then to the left we got the we got this London high as well. So I was like, okay, why not? And we had this structure going on. We had the break here, so yeah. And we broke bullish on this low high, lower high, lower low, bullish break. So here's a break and here's a break. And then we have this bullish range from Asia low that took previous daily lows up to London high. This is our first point of discount coming up, second point of discount. So valid place to look for longs. And then what can we see over here? So this is like equals that led to a higher high, or equals that took out these internal highs, but these internal highs didn't lead to new lows, they led to equal lows. So really this is not a form of early sellers. Then over here we got this low or high that led to this low. That's taken out, but then this is respected. So again, not really a form of early seller or early buyer. So really this trade shouldn't be there. But yeah, like I wanted to try it. I don't know why it's off plan. Off plan trade in terms of confluences. But yeah, like sometimes it's you accept that, okay, I know I miss a confluence, but like everything else is there, so why not? Another reason for me look for longs here is because this 1 hour block, the low of this 1 hour block took these internal lows. So it was like, okay, liquidity grab that led to a break of structure. Same here. Yeah. So that was the reason for me. Check my microphone. I hope everything is working. Yo. Okay. I think everything is all right. Yeah, there's a dog outside. Sounds like he's being murdered. Then the second long, let's go about that long. So that was a bit tricky because let's remove this one as well. Clean up. Clean up here. So now we have our early buyers as well. Because this high led to a new low. This high led to this low. Then we got our set of early buyers over here. That makes sense. They're taken out. Then we got this minor break structure. Liquidity building up below above our entry block. And then entry from here. As you can see, it didn't reach 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is over here. And I went break even after taking this high. Why? Just because price action is slow. Didn't want to risk anymore. And I already had 2 trades, of which one was a loss and the other one was a reduced loss. And another reason for going break even is because we had this going on. We had this high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this was just an internal break. And really this was just like a liquidity grab. Then minor break structure, and you can look for shorts from here. So there's actually a short set up. using this as your 5-minute structure. And as you can see, you have this over here. Oh, wrong. POI. Let's remove this as early buyers for now. And let's go about the early sellers first. Clear early sellers. However, they're not in the premium. Oh, they are. So we got early sellers over here. Clear early sellers. Why? We got low, high, high, low. Then we got this internal low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. Bearish break followed by bullish break. So people will try to sell here first point of discount or premium. They will sell here. They get taken out. Then we take these internal highs, and you can actually do it as liquidity. Then we got the low, high, higher, low, higher, higher, and we just shit, shit PA. Sorry, what the fuck? And then we got like this break, but this is not a high that led to low that led to new high. We got order flow forming, so never that I was gonna take this trade. This is ugly as fuck, but sure. I have to swear less. I swear I have to swear less. This could have been your short. 1 to 4. Shit trade. Sorry. All right, then price just comes deeper into this block, takes at this. And then you can see, is there a 15-minute block? No. Is it? No. Okay, 5-minute block. So this long makes sense, right? We got the break structure, minor break structure here, liquidity building up, correction on the way up, but also correction on the way down. Although we can see the strong sellers, but yeah, try it anyway. I actually ended manually after price came down and then came up, so waited for a little reaction to see what price was doing, and then ended up break even. If I was going for 1 to 3s, I could have made some profits, but yeah, sure. What can we see then? We come into this POI 5-minute, we just take it out, so bullish break as well. So that's really inducing people into buying. So we just took that out. Oh, that's not a good idea. I actually want a different one. I wanted this one. Then price breaks bearish, takes out the bullish order flow. Not really break of structure, but just break of order flow. And for people that trade order flow, you have your entry from this block here. 27, 24. 1.8, 2.3. And that's the clean trade as well. Targeting this low. Actually, you should be looking like this now. Low to high. So you should go break even from here. But we see like this is all liquidity to the downside building up. So 1 to 5 and 1 to 6.5 to that low. Let's see how this looks on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see as well. Actually, we can't see it like that clearly, but we can see like impulse up, then impulse down is stronger. After we took these highs, this New York high, we can see the huge wick, and then a strong bearish candle, showing that the bearish hands are taking over. The bears are taking over. then in the size of a candle, then continuation down, slow down. So it made sense. If you see this one, it doesn't make sense. But if you see this, you see like that second long was like probably a valid setup. Then we take these internal highs or internal lows. Then I was looking to maybe long from here, but price just dumped down. Now coming back up, and we can see maybe potential longs because we still didn't reach the discount of this leg or the premium of this leg. What else is there? Let's clean this up. There you go. Oops. So we got a low, high, break. We got this bearish range going on for now as well. Let's take this off. Here we go. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. Let's remove this. Let's do it like this. See how it just took an internal low, then came back up, and then continued down, taking Asian lows. So we took Asian lows. This will probably be a previous daily low. This will be a previous daily high for tomorrow. So just already get that on. Not been purged yet. Quite interesting. So yeah, reacting from this block right now. We got this bearish range. Price took internal range liquidity already by taking these. So this is a valid setup for shorts. Going down lower, what can we see? No release, yeah. No really sellers over here. So like makes sense to sell here, knowing that these are the early sellers. Why? Because these are like shitbox traders that trade from this support and resistance area. That's a large area. Hold on. Let's do it like this. See, it's respecting that again. Well, probably people try to buy here and then we'll continue down. But not just that, but also like smart money traders that try to sell from here. Because this block was still unmitigated. It reacted from there and then went down. Just about below that. Like 0.1. Yeah. 0.2. Then over here we have like a minor early sellers over here. See this high low that led to a high taken out, but really it's just low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So not really any form of early sellers. If anything, if you count that as your early sellers, then this is your entry block. Like that. And this would be your trade. Stops above the high. 3.3, 3.8, and you would have achieved a 0.2. Yeah, just a 1.3, 1 to 3. And 1 to 5 is over here. So yeah, in terms of recap, what happened today? We took We took these lows yesterday, on Friday, then we took previous daily lows during Asia, then Asia low was formed over here. We first took Asia highs and New York highs on Friday. Then we respected this 5-minute POI and we broke bearish again, taking Asia lows. In between price induced buyers over here. I was trying to buy there twice. The real sell setup was during London over here. The real buy setup, was there a buy setup during New York? I don't think so, no. So really, honest opinion, PA was shit. Well, not shit, but not the cleanest to look for entries. And now we have this bearish range, and these will be our potential previous daily high and previous daily low. Thanks for listening. I hope my mic is alright, because it gave that notification.